It's a lovely day in Aarhus, Denmark, if that's how you say it. And we're at the deer park. We came off a cruise ship, walked up to the bus station, but that's not where you get the bus. But ask at the bus station, they directed us. You catch the blue bus, 100. The blue bus as opposed to the yellow bus because you can pay on the bus. It was very cheap, 5 krona for 2. And we're here in the deer park. Can't wait to see a deer. Also a little bit scared, but it's a beautiful day. Okay, so we got it wrong a little bit. So you do go through that woods part, all the way through. It's like a path, and then you come to this road and walk down, and I think there's more flat land where you'll find the deer. So there's even a car park. Continue down this road. There seems to be a main entrance here. Hoping this is the actual deer park. So we found the entrance finally. It was a bit of a push, but here it is, the big gates, and you go through this green gate at the side, I think. Wow, we're here. Straight away, there's some deers. Deer everywhere. Some there, one over there. This is obviously open to the public, free to get in. And you are allowed to feed the deer if you want to. And they're everywhere, seem very friendly. Let's go and take a look.